my name is Ashley Burdine, and today we will be making ginasang monggo with chicken breast. This dish is high in protein and fiber content, and for the people who are trying to lose weight, lucky for you, since it is also low in calories. So let's stop chit-chatting and start preparing our ingredients. I start by soaking 2 cups of monggo in water for at least 4 hours. Then boil the monggo seeds with 5 cups of water for 45 to 50 minutes. I like to go for 50 minutes since it's softer to eat. And remember to add beef cubes to make the flavors more appetizing. While boiling, let's start preparing the other ingredients needed for this recipe. First and foremost, I start preparing the alugbati, string beans, tomatoes by rinsing them with tap water. After rinsing them in tap water, I begin to chop the alugbati leaves. The damaged leaves should not be added because they will alter the taste and texture. Always slice the roots of the string beans because they are usually dirty. Then, continue slicing everything evenly about 2 inches or size of your finger. Then, I continue dicing my tomatoes. I use 3 tomatoes in this recipe. Now, let's start slicing our 400 grams chicken into cube-like shapes. And oh, I almost forgot! Also prepare onions for this dish. You can either choose to dice or chop them like this. Now, let's start cooking. Start by pouring oil on a heated pot. To check whether it's okay to add the other ingredients, you can test it by adding salt. If it floats, then it's not hot enough. I start adding the onions, garlic, and tomatoes and stir them. You can add luya if you want, but it's not required. Then I add the chicken to the pot and stir it again. At this stage, we can add black pepper. Then wait 10 minutes. Don't forget to add the alugbati and string beans. Now, add it to the container and enjoy. Finally, my ginisang monggo with chicken breast is done! Then, I asked my mom to rate the dish I cooked. She said that it's 10 over 10. I really enjoyed cooking since I really long to cook for a long time. Thank you guys for watching and see you again!